Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In my past video, I told few of the functions. Let me show you. In my past two videos, I told how to importing the required packages, and this is the empty cars.csv using Pandas 1 and Pandas 2 videos. Just watch those two videos previously. And then what we are going to see is cars.head for first five lines, cars.tail for the last five lines of the dataset, info regarding any not null or null keys, and description, a statistical information, random selection of sampleton, and shape is nothing but the size, and LOC accessing at that particular location of the dataset. And this is also another LOC, and set index, setting the index, etc. we did. Okay, and the cars max going to give the max values, and like this up to now we have did. Now I want to show you one more function, that is cars dot idx max. Idx max stands for index maxing, where it is going to show you the just give me 1 minute. I'm interpreting each and every line once again here. Yeah. So IDX max is going to define you where this particular max value is existing, that particular row number. For example, I am taking CYL, it is showing 4. So see what is the max number of the CYL, actually it is 8 here. This is the max number, right? So where it is existing, just check the indexing. CYL 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that index, the same in the remaining also, that particular index it is showing. And what is the disp? It is showing at the 14. What is the max value of the disp actually? 472. Let us check it is existing at the 14 or not in the disp. Okay. So where is the disp? Yes. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The 472 is the max value of the disk, and it is existing at the row number 14. So like that, it will show you the max is going to give you the max value, and IDX is going to give you the index, maximum, where is the maximum value is locating, that particular index it is going to give. And I want to show you the sorting values, that is the cars sort underscore values by is equal to HP. See, there is a column called HP here. Based on that, I am going to, yeah, HP, comma, ascending is equal to false. So let us have a look how the HP values are going to display. So ascending is equal to false means descending values it is going to show in the HP. The large value is 335, next large 264, like that it is going to show. If I give ascending is equal to true, let us check what happened. The 335 came to last. See, HP, look at the HP row, 52, 62, from the starting onwards it has started. So like that we can use the sort values to sort any kind of the column in the given data set to sort. Okay, next we are going to see another dot cyl dot unique. Let us check. Yeah, it is going to show you the unique values of that particular cyl. So non-repeating unique values of the cyl, it is going to show you. Yeah, not non-repeating. It is showing all the values of 648 array. Okay, let us check the same in HP. Yeah, it is just showing the array. Okay, so now entire data frame we are going to check the unique values. There is no attribute error it is giving. That means you should provide any kind of uh, uh, column or any kind of feature you should provide to in order to work with this unique. So it is giving in the form of the array. It is giving in the form of array the values like that. In the form of array it is returning like that. Unique will work. And again, cars of HP dot value counts. How many times the each and every value is repeated, that value it is going to give. Cars dot HP value counts. Okay, and I'm going to set the index of HP comma in place equal to true. So I set an index of HP and in place is equal to true. Let us check what it shows. So we changed the index as HP. Earlier we set the index as set index. Already we worked with the set index function as model here, and now we are going to show this one set index as HP and in place is equal to true. So it is going to show this. Okay. Now we are going to work with few more things. I am going to import NumPy, the numerical Python for arrays, and I'm going to create some arrays. Z1 is equal to 1 comma nan stands for null values, np dot nan np dot nan null values. Yeah, and I'm going to create another z2 that equal to, yeah. So two arrays I have created. One is the Z1 and another one is the Z2. And Z1 contains some null values also. NP dot nan the second value is np dot nan, and third value is also null, np dot nan. 4 5 are there, fifth is, sixth is none, and eighth is none. Now, yeah, I'm going to create a data frame. Df1 is equal to pd dot data frame of, I'm creating a cricket, and I'm assigning to the cricket the z1 array, comma, and I'm creating another one, and I'm assigning this to z2, curly brace close, close, and here, yeah. So to this df1, I assigned a data frame with the cricket z1 and tennis z2. So two rows, no, two columns with multiple number of the rows. Let us run this. Yeah, data frame it is. Yeah. Now I am printing the df1. See, these are the null values we are having, right? Now I'm going to obtain the info from df. What is the function to obtain the info? Df dot info. It is giving how many null? Four non-null, remaining all are null values. Non-null count it is showing. Okay. So how many null values are there? We have to count is null dot sum. So this function is used to count the null values from the given data frame. Is null. Yeah. So four null values it is having. Cricket 4 and tennis 0. Only cricket only you are having four null values. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. Four null values it is showing. Okay. I want to drop the null values. There is a function called drop na. Df1 dot drop na, which is going to drop the null values and showing only the non-null values. And I want to fill these null values with any number. So for that we use the function called fill na. Df1 dot fill na of 2. I want to fill it with the digit 2. Let us check what it shows. Yeah, so it is filled all the null values with the digit 2. Earlier these are null values, now it is filled with digit 2. Now what I am going to do is I want to find out df1 of cricket dot mean. So I want to find out the mean value of this, all the cricket. So it is going to show you the value. Now I want to fill this with this mean value in the place of the null values. Now I'm going to print this null. Null values are existing. Okay, see here, if you fill with 2, that shows at that particular place only, that is not filled with the entire data set. Okay, so again if you print df1, that's what it is showing, again the null values. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to, with the fill in a function, I want to do just copy this and paste this and close this and just run this. See, all the null values are filled with 4.25, the mean value. Like that, we are having many number of functions in the pandas in order to clean the data, in order to work with the data. So once again, I am repeating what are the functions that we did. We import pandas, we imported our data frame into the cars, and we are head, tail, info for getting info of not null information, describe statistical information, random sampling using sample, shape for getting the size, and then LOC to access at particular location. LOC again we can access from particular rows and particular piece of the data. Slicing it is actually, this is called as slicing actually. Okay, don't confuse slicing. Okay, like that you can slice any bit from the data set. Set index as model, and then what you did, max, finding the max values, and then index of the max values, and sort values, you can sort the values according to the given column, and then unique, you can obtain the unique values in the form of the array. Value counts, how many times each and value is existing, and set index, and then again you have created two things. Those are two arrays using np you have created with the help of some numpy. Numpy helps you to create the arrays, and then you transform them into a data frame by using this statement pd.data frame, and you get the info of null information, not null information, how many not null, how many null values you just count with the help of is null of sum, and drop na, and then fill na with the particular value mean, etc., etc. And one more function is there, that is df1 dot corr. Let us check, it's a correlation actually, how one key is correlated with another key. Correlation giving you the n by n matrix, how one key is associated with another key. Cricket with cricket is one correlated, tennis is tennis with one correlated. So like that, correlate is a one kind of function which is going to the correlation matrix of the respective features. So this is nothing but some of the functions available in pandas. In my coming videos add more things from the pandas, and including numpy also. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, intelligible tutorials. Thank you one and all.